What's up guys, this is your man Gidkay once again. In today's video I'm doing an outdoor photo shoot with you guys. So we are just going to use natural light, which is the sun. Then I have a beautiful model here who goes by the name
Nadia.
Nice one. So Nadia is going to give us aesthetic poses that is going to beautify our image. Yes. And then I would like to talk about my phone holder over here. This phone holder helps you to take low angle shots. Due to the 6D, we don't have a flip screen, so it serves as a flip screen for me, so I can take low angle shots. So stay with me so I can share some pro tips with you guys. Good. Now pose. Give me some nice pose. All right, guys. So we have the sunlight from this aspect, and then we are filling in with the reflector over here. Yes. So now they give us some nice pose. Yes. Perfect. All right. Give us something with curves, a little curves. Yeah. Perfect. So let me come in and do more close-ups. Yeah. So this is one tip for outdoor photo shoot with a reflector and then the sunlight. So we are going to do the backlight. So in this case, we are just going to use the sun as our backlight and then the reflector as our key light. So all the reflector is going to do is it's going to bounce some of the sunlight to her face. This is our model Nadia. Yeah, so stay with us and then see how we do it. So put this side there. Bounce some of the light. Yeah, good. Yes. So as you can see on the screen, yes. So you can see the reflector has filled in some of the shadows whereby we couldn't get from the original. Get close. Smile. Let's go. Yes. More poses. Yes. Okay, so I want to take some low angle shots. I would like you to fill in with the reflector. Okay, so now we want to try and do this time. We are not going to use the reflector, I'm going to use just the sunlight. Yes. So now give me a nice pose. Yeah. For any kind of screen. All right. Good. This is lovely. All right. Wow. Okay. I'm using an ISO of 100, aperture of 3.2, and a shutter speed of 1250. Yes. As time goes, I'll be changing it due to the weather changes. Yeah. So Nadia, look here. Yes. Yes. Let me go down below and then get some nice shots. Yes. I love this pose. Give me once more. Yeah. This is beautiful. Let me get some close-ups here. Wow. So I'm going to take my shutter speed a little up because I feel it's overexposed a little, and then I'm going to shoot once more. Yeah. So more of the poses. Yeah. So Nadia is one of the best models out there, so I don't necessarily have to pose her that much. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I like the way you raise your leg. The way you raise your leg, the other one, the first one. Yes. But this time I'm going to take it down. Yes. Okay, let's go.